I sit near the window. I sit near the window. I take a small sip. I take a small sip. I sit in my favorite chair. I sit in my favorite chair. I stretch my legs. I stretch my legs. I cross my legs. I cross my legs. I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses. I clean my glasses. I clean my glasses. I rest on the couch. I rest on the couch. I turn on the TV. I turn on the TV. I turn off the TV. I turn off the TV. I watch a movie. I watch a movie. I lean back. I lean back. I look around the room. I look around the room. I stretch my arms gently. I stretch my arms gently. I think quietly. I think quietly. I rub my eyes gently. I rub my eyes gently. I look at family photos. I look at family photos. I watch people outside. I watch people outside. I put the cup on the table. I put the cup on the table. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I turn the page. I turn the page.
Learn English with fun. Learn English with fun.